Ila-ilahon ta kining usa ka anak sa mga sikat ni atong 90s nga gusto sa buhimo og iyang marka sa showbiz industry. Kumustahon ta si kapuso actress and singer Claire Castro. Maayong buntag Claire and welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello! Hello! How are you?
How are you, Claire? Ikaw kumusta ka? How are you and your family doing?
Okay. I'm very happy right now. I'm very energized.
And thank you for sharing that energy to us this morning, Claire. We're very
No
interested.
problem.
Both your mom and your dad are 90s stars, Claire. Si Diego Castro and Raven Villanueva na sumikat talaga because of their youth-oriented program, ang TGIS, dito sa Kapuso Network. What's it like to have famous parents?
My dad he was really happy when I was gonna join showbiz. Over the moon.
Is it because of your parents' career as artistas that influenced your decision to enter showbiz?
Yes. Growing up, I would just hear my dad's stories of back in the day, and I was really inspired to also join.
And when you signed up with GMA Artist Center, what advice did your dad give you about entering showbiz?
Well, he said it's not gonna be easy, but ang kailangan po talaga is to have thick skin kasi there's gonna be times na people will say negative things about you because not everyone, you can't please everyone talaga.
Ito bang pag-aartista, gustong-gusto mo na talaga ba ito since childhood?
Yes, before po kasi my dad, I wanted na po, like, I couldn't stop thinking about it, like, every day, every night. Tapos yung dad ko po parang, no, you're too young, no. Tapos parang naisip ko, so he told me po na 20s pa ako pwede mag-showbiz. So I'm like, ang tagal. Tapos ngayon po, ay 20s na. So yun.
And now na kasali ka na sa Kapuso Network, ano yung mga acting projects or roles do you see yourself doing in the future?
I really love doing contrabida roles. I feel like kaya ko po. As in, natural lang.
In the meantime, how are you honing your skills and preparing yourself also para sa mga projects na darating sa'yo?
Well, I'm joining po lots of different workshops with GMA to prepare myself for future projects.
Can you tell us about these workshops, Claire? Ano yung mga natututunan mo?
With acting workshop, I learned to not really act, like, don't act, just be natural on screen. That's something I had to learn po.
Prior to this pandemic, may ginawa kang project, Girls of Summer, kasama din yung mga ibang beautiful and sexy actresses na dito sa GMA. How do you feel about that project?
Oh, I was excited to do it. I was really happy. Like, I got to work with these beautiful people and ay nakalabas din po ako sa Pasay.
And super sexy yung mga ginawa niyong pictorials. How did your dad feel about it?
My dad was like this. He was like that, but he's okay with it.
And Claire, before we end the interview, ano yung gusto mong ibigay na mensahe para sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin?
Hello po mga kapuso. Always stay safe, wear your mask, wash your hands, and take your vitamins po. It's so hard na magkasakit ngayon, promise. Always take care of yourself because at the end of the day, all you have is yourself.
Daghang salamat, Claire, for joining us this morning. Ingat ka!
Salamat po!
And that was Claire Castro, mga kapuso, ang usa sa mga artists nga angay gayud ninyong atangan sa umaabot niya nga mga proyekto dinhi sa GMA Network. More to come pa, so tutok lang dinhi sa GMA Regional TV Live.